Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 9 healthy ways to add flax seeds to your diet. Key takeaways. Ground flax seeds provide the most health benefits compared to whole flax seeds or flaxseed oil. Add ground flax seeds to everyday foods like oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, soups, and baked goods to support digestion, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Use flaxseed oil carefully, as it is more calorie-dense. Add it to finished dishes or salad dressings, but do not heat it. Flax seeds can be incorporated into various foods like baked goods, smoothies, yogurt, cereals, soups, and salads. Ground flax seeds are the most recommended as they are easier to digest and provide more nutrients than whole flax seeds. Flax seeds are a good source of essential fatty acids, fiber, lignans, and antioxidants, which can help support blood sugar control, the nervous system, cholesterol management, and digestion. Precautions include potential interactions with certain medications, digestive discomfort from high intake, and avoiding raw or unripe flax seeds. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before consuming flax seeds. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.